Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Judy English Daily, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful today, thank you. I made pancakes for breakfast this morning. They were so good. And you, Jake?
I am good, thank you. But I am a little hungry right now.
You are always hungry, Jake.
That is true. I think about food a lot.
Me too. Food makes me happy.
Yes, good food, good day.
Speaking of food, that is actually our topic today.
Oh, food? That is a great topic.
Yes, today we are talking about food. What do you like to eat?
Ooh, I have so many answers for this question.
I know you do. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, and share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Okay, Jake, today we are going to ask each other questions about food.
I love this. Food is my favorite topic.
So, the big question today is, what do you like to eat?
That is a big question. I like so many things.
Okay, tell me just one. What is your number one favorite food?
My number one favorite food is pasta.
Pasta! I love pasta too.
Really? What kind of pasta do you like?
I like spaghetti with tomato sauce and a little cheese on top.
Yes, spaghetti is the best. So simple and so good.
And it is easy to cook.
Very easy. What about you, Judy? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with vegetables.
Rice with vegetables? That sounds healthy.
Yes, and very delicious.
Delicious. I love that word. It means very, very tasty, right?
Exactly. Delicious means the food tastes very good. You can say, this pasta is delicious.
This pasta is delicious. See? I can use it.
Perfect example, Jake.
Thank you. What else can we talk about?
Now, let me ask you something different. Is there a food you don't like?
A food I don't like? I don't like mushrooms.
Mushrooms? Really?
Yes. I don't know why. I just don't like them. They're strange.
That is okay. You can say, I don't like mushrooms. Very simple.
I don't like mushrooms. Easy. What about you, Judy? Is there a food you don't like?
I don't like very spicy food. It hurts my mouth.
Me too. We can say, I don't like spicy food.
Yes, I like and I don't like. Two very useful phrases for talking about food.
Very useful. I like pasta. I don't like mushrooms. Perfect.
See? Now you can talk about food you like and food you don't like.
This is very useful. What is next?
Okay, now let's talk about meals. First, breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast, Jake?
For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and toast.
Eggs and toast. That is a classic breakfast.
Yes, and I always have coffee. Every single morning.
Coffee is very important for you.
Very, very important. No coffee, no Jake.
How do you cook your eggs?
I like scrambled eggs. You know, scrambled? You mix the eggs together and cook them.
Yes, scrambled eggs are soft and easy to eat.
What about you? How do you like your eggs?
I like fried eggs. One egg in a hot pan. Very quick.
Fried eggs. That is fast. 2 minutes, right?
Yes, about 2 minutes. And I eat it with toast.
Toast with butter?
Sometimes toast with butter, sometimes toast with jam.
Jam. I like strawberry jam.
Me too. Strawberry jam is sweet and delicious.
Do you eat anything else for breakfast?
Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit.
Yogurt and fruit. What kind of fruit?
Bananas, strawberries, sometimes blueberries.
I like bananas. They're sweet.
Yes, bananas are sweet. Sweet is a taste word.
Sweet, like chocolate and honey.
Exactly. Do you eat breakfast every day, Jake?
Yes, every single day. I cannot start my day without breakfast.
Me too. Breakfast gives you energy for the morning.
Energy. Yes, I need a lot of energy.
What about cereal? Do you eat cereal, Jake?
Cereal? Sometimes, with cold milk.
I like cereal on lazy mornings when I don't want to cook.
Yes, cereal is the easiest breakfast. Just pour and eat.
Pour. That means you put the cereal in a bowl, then you pour the milk on top.
Pour. I pour milk on my cereal, like this.
Perfect sentence. Good. Now let's talk about lunch. What do you eat for lunch?
For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich.
A sandwich. What kind of sandwich?
Chicken and cheese with a little lettuce.
That sounds good. I like sandwiches too.
What do you eat for lunch, Judy?
I usually have a salad, a big salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and a little olive oil.
A salad? Every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I have soup.
Soup. I love soup, especially when it's cold outside.
Yes, hot soup on a cold day. That is the best feeling.
What kind of soup do you make?
I like tomato soup and chicken soup. Chicken soup is very good when you are sick.
Chicken soup when you are sick? Really?
Yes, many people eat chicken soup when they don't feel well. It is warm and it makes you feel better.
That is nice. I will remember that. Chicken soup for sick days.
Exactly.
Okay, what about dinner? What do you eat for dinner?
For dinner, I like to cook something warm, maybe rice with chicken or pasta with vegetables.
Rice with chicken again? You really love rice.
Yes, I really do. Rice is my best friend. What about your dinner, Jake?
For dinner, I like many things. Sometimes I cook pasta. Sometimes I make rice with vegetables. And sometimes I just order food.
Order food? You mean from a restaurant?
Yes, when I'm tired, I order food. It comes to my door.
That is easy, but cooking at home is healthier.
I know. I am trying to cook more.
Good. That is a great goal.
Judy, you said sweet before. Can we talk about more taste words?
Yes, that is a great idea. How does food taste? In English, we have some important words for this.
We already said sweet, like chocolate, bananas, and cake.
Right. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Ice cream is sweet. Cookies are sweet.
I love sweet things. What is the next word?
The next one is salty. S-A-L-T-Y. Salty.
Salty, like chips and French fries.
Exactly. Chips are salty. Popcorn can be salty too.
Yes, I like salty popcorn at the movies.
Now, what about lemons? How do lemons taste?
Lemons are sour?
Yes, sour. S-O-U-R. Sour. Lemons are very sour.
When I eat a lemon, my face goes like this.
Everyone makes a funny face with lemons.
It is not a good feeling. What is the next word?
The next word is spicy. S-P-I-C-Y. Spicy. Hot peppers are spicy.
Oh, I don't like very spicy food. My mouth burns.
A little spicy is nice, but very spicy, no thank you.
No, thank you. Are there more taste words?
One more. Bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter.
Bitter? What is bitter?
Black coffee is bitter. Coffee with no sugar and no milk. Just black.
I don't like bitter things. That is why I put sugar in my coffee.
That is okay. Many people do that.
So we have 5 taste words: sweet, salty, sour, spicy, and bitter.
Very good, Jake. You remembered all 5.
Can I try some sentences?
Yes, go ahead.
This cookie is sweet. These chips are salty. This lemon is sour. This pepper is spicy. This coffee is bitter.
That is perfect. Every sentence is correct.
Thank you, Judy.
You are a natural, Jake.
Thank you, Judy. I love learning taste words.
Okay, let me ask you about snacks now. Do you eat snacks, Jake?
Snacks? Oh, yes. I love snacks.
What is a snack? Can you explain?
A snack is a small food. You eat it between meals, between breakfast and lunch, or between lunch and dinner.
Very, very good explanation. So what is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chocolate. I eat a little piece of chocolate after lunch every day.
That is nice. A little treat after lunch. A treat is something small and special that you enjoy.
A treat. I like that word. What is your favorite snack, Judy?
I like fruit, an apple or an orange in the afternoon.
You are very healthy, Judy. I also like cookies and chips.
Cookies are sweet, chips are salty. See, we can use our taste words.
Yes, taste words everywhere.
What about drinks? What do you like to drink?
I drink coffee, a lot of coffee.
What else?
I also drink juice sometimes. Orange juice is my favorite.
Orange juice is very good, especially fresh orange juice.
What do you drink, Judy?
I drink a lot of water and tea. I love green tea.
Green tea. That is healthy too.
Yes, when I am thirsty, I drink water or tea. When I am tired, I drink a little coffee.
Thirsty. That means you want something to drink, right?
Exactly. Hungry means you want food. Thirsty means you want a drink.
Hungry and thirsty. I am always both.
You are funny, Jake.
I try. So what else?
Okay, Jake, one more question. Do you like to cook?
Cook? Well, I can cook a little bit.
What can you cook?
I can cook eggs, I can cook pasta, and I can make a sandwich. That is about it.
That is a good start.
But I'm not a great cook. Sometimes I burn the food.
That is okay. Cooking takes practice. Like English. You practice every day and you get better.
That is true. Practice, practice, practice.
Do you like to eat at home or eat out?
Eat out. What does that mean exactly?
Eat out means you eat at a restaurant, not at home.
Oh, I like both, but eating at home is cheaper.
Cheaper, yes. That means it costs less money.
Eating out is fun on the weekend, a special dinner with friends.
I agree. I like to cook at home during the week and eat out on Saturday or Sunday.
That is a good plan. Judy, what can you cook?
I can cook many things. Rice, pasta, soup, salad, and I love to bake.
Bake? What do you bake?
I bake cookies and cakes, sometimes banana bread.
Banana bread. That sounds amazing. Can you make some for me?
Maybe one day, if you practice your English.
Deal. I will practice every day.
You know, Jake, there are some useful words for cooking. You can boil water for pasta, you can fry an egg in a pan, and you can bake cookies in the oven.
Boil, fry, and bake. 3 cooking words.
Yes, boil is for hot water, fry is for a pan with oil, bake is for the oven.
I boil water. I fry eggs. Judy bakes cookies.
Very good sentences.
This is fun. Can we practice more?
Yes. Now let's do a little practice together. I will ask you questions about food and you answer, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Pizza is delicious.
Good. What is your favorite pizza?
My favorite pizza is cheese pizza. Simple and classic.
Nice. Do you like sushi?
Sushi? I like some sushi, but not all sushi.
That is a good answer. You can say, I like some sushi, or I don't like all sushi.
Good. My turn now. Judy, do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. My favorite is chocolate ice cream.
Me too. Chocolate ice cream is the best. It is sweet and cold.
Perfect. See, you used a taste word.
Yes. Do you like spicy food, Judy?
I like a little spicy, but not too much. What about you?
No, I don't like very spicy food. A little bit is okay.
That is a great answer. You can say, I don't like very spicy food, or a little bit is okay.
One more. Judy, do you like to eat breakfast or dinner more?
I think I like dinner more because I have more time to cook and enjoy my food.
That is a good reason. I like breakfast more because of the coffee.
Of course, the coffee.
This is fun. It's like a game.
Let's try one more thing. Imagine you visit a friend. Your friend asks, Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Do you have any pasta?
Yes, I have pasta. Do you want tomato sauce or cheese?
Tomato sauce, please.
See? That's a real conversation about food.
That was so easy and fun.
Yes, and listeners, you can play this game too. Ask your friends, what do you like to eat? Or do you like pizza?
It's a great way to practice English, and you can talk about food too.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we talked about food.
Yes, we talked about our favorite foods and meals.
Good. And we learned 5 taste words.
Sweet, salty, sour, spicy, and bitter.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is your favorite food and why do you like it?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing your English.